Okay, this is part 2 of my Christmas table display, the Christmas tree, and a train village. And Huey's here tonight. Huey, I just want to see what he does when I take out this Christmas tree in here. This was something I bought like 7 years ago, I think. 6, 7 years ago. Huey. So we're going to take that out of the box right now. See what he does. Well, you're sure having fun with my Christmas display, aren't you, buddy? Huh? Yeah, well, I'm opening something here. Look what I got here. Look. Look at that. What is it? What is this? It's the Christmas train. Yeah, you know something's going on. You know something's up, don't you? Yeah, he loves it when I take out the Christmas lights. Right, the ornaments, the tree, decorations. Big tree. Trying to play and everything. Hey, what are you doing to that track? I didn't even get it on there yet. Huh? You nut. I didn't even get it on there yet. We're already starting, huh? You already starting? You're starting. Huh? You're starting already. Daddy didn't even get it out of the box and you're already starting. Huh? What are you going to do when I put the village up? Huh? You going to be like Godzilla? You're going to storm my village? Huh? Is that what you're going to do? There's the caboose. This is a Christmas car for a box car. This is another Christmas car with a reindeer on there that chase each other, or an elf chasing a reindeer around the load that the gondola is carrying. The tender. This is, of course, a Lionel. This is the engine. It's a nice green engine. And it has the number 1224 on it for Christmas Eve. He's eyeballing the camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Come on, bud. Huh? Yeah, I know. You're waiting. You're waiting to get into all this stuff. The track. Right? Is that what you're waiting for? Look at him, look. He's getting rambunctious already. Sniffing around the track. Okay. And this is the transformer right here. Pack it away every year. Well, I don't take it out every year, but let's see here. Okay. And part 3 will come up next, and I'll put the track together with the help of my little friend here, Huey. You gonna help me, Huey? Hey.